When we purchased our new property, we were looking for some metal fabricated buildings for parking and storage, and we reached out to Allen's Factory Outlet because of their reputation and quality for metal fabricated buildings, and we are extremely pleased with the resulting product. We chose 3 structures from Allen's Factory Outlet. It was important for us to have a protected facility for our employees to park and our employee vehicles to park. So we needed to have something that was wide enough and deep enough to keep these vehicles protected from the elements. And then we have a large facility that is going to be an office structure while we build phase 1 of the brick and mortar facility. Plus it's something big enough to house the RV and act as a temporary office while we build our permanent office. We are ecstatic. We love the height. We're about to add some electrical lights in here to really brighten the space up, but it's got enough room for the RV to lower down the back deck. We're going to add a bathroom, and we are very, very happy with this space. These buildings have greatly improved the morale of our team by being able to have a place to park that is safe. Plus, once the new brick and mortar facility is built in that section of the property, these parking structures will become the new employee parking at the back end of the facility. So we look forward to using these structures for many, many years to come. If I had to give some advice for someone purchasing from Allen's Factory Outlet, I would say do so with all the confidence. You're going to have a building team that is dedicated to giving you exactly what you're looking for, an installation crew that is responsive and easy to work with, and a product that has far exceeded our expectations.